MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. And man, I get excited every time one of these new boats come in because this is the 235 Freedom from Grady-White. Man, Grady-White builds such a great boat. The CV2 hull just sets it apart from any other boat that you want to ride on. It cuts the waves sharp. It keeps the midsection, the helm area where the riders are soft and in contact with the water. It's just a good, great, stable platform. This is the hardtop version. It is the Freedom, which gives you the freedom to do all your recreation and fish ability just the same as the center consoles. So let's go aboard and take a look at some of the features this boat's got to offer. All right, we're back here at the stern of this great boat, and if you'll notice, it has the swim platforms on each side. That gives this 23-foot boat over 25 feet in length as far as usability space. When you sit here at the island, you can have your feet dangling off in the water, easy for your dogs to get on and off the boat and into the boat. You also have these lockers here on the back on both sides. Can be used for aft anchor storage and all, and or a cooler. Matching paint for the 300 Yamaha. These engines are so quiet, you got to be careful not to crank them twice. You have the trim tabs here, keeps the boat level under windage. If you have wind on the nose, you can balance the boat out or your load. Depending on the people that you have aboard, this is a 10-person vessel boat, which is all you need because you can only socialize with 10 people at a time right now anyway. Come aboard, let's look and see what we got. So as we come through the transom door, one thing you'll notice, the hinges right here, Grady-White just kind of overbuilds their product. I mean, everything on the boat is top quality. If you notice how wide your transom door is, we kind of joke around and ask when you go into a competitor's door, try to stand on that door to see if they stop you. You can dance on this one. So you got plenty of access in. You're equipped with a 15.5-gallon live well that has a full plenum, which that means it doesn't just spray water circulate just on the top or bottom. The entire water column circulates to keep your bait fresh. You have a retractable ski bar. Comes in, locks in place, and that's for all your water sport activities, but you can recess it out of your way when you're fishing. This fish box right here can be used as a cooler if you don't fish, but if you do put your fish in here, you don't have to worry about any of your fish slime, guts, blood, or anything getting down into your bills to be pumped out by another pump, more maintenance. All Grady-White's boxes flush overboard for easy cleaning. It doesn't go into your bills. You don't have the bacteria built up. It's just another great thing that Grady-White thinks about for you. Equipped with your rod holders, freshwater tank. You have a freshwater shower here, so when you're coming off the beach, you want to spray down, get all the salt off of you. You have a raw water pump here, so if you are fishing, you get some fish blood on here, you knock it off with that, rinse it off with your fresh water. This boat's designed, as I said, for fishing. Plenty of room back here, integrated tow rails, combing padding is padded when you're fighting that fish. But when you want to go to the island, easy access to the seat, everything just flows easily. You have a retractable lounger. So now you've just converted this fishing boat into a recreation boat. You've also got the ability to put the screens up here. You totally enclose this cockpit. You can fish and recreate all year round. You don't have to worry about the cold weather. The sun will shine in here and warm this up. This is designed with a deluxe helm seat that pivots, slides 3 or 4 different directions. High bolster seat here to look over the windshield. Plenty of room for your instrumentation. The Yamaha gauge can be integrated with that to actually give you a double screen. We like to refer to this as the emergency room. Plenty of room. This is actually a Japsco manual pump out. It actually has a holding tank. It can be discharged overboard or through your marina. You don't have to, no hands-on. It's not like your porta potty. You have the Fusion stereo system. Cell phone holders. They think about everything for you on this boat. Captain even has his own remote. As you come to the windshield here, as I said, you can totally enclose this off. Got a lock on it. Totally enclose this off to knock the wind down. All your hardware has a lock to keep that from bouncing around. You have plenty of room up here for sunbathers. You can get a shade top. There's so many accessories you can do to this boat. It's a perfect boat for the islands, perfect boat to fish, perfect boat for your family. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Come see me, let's take a ride on it, and I'll prove to you why it's the best boat for you.